A very good morning, class 6. From today we will start new exercise 6.2. First question, write the following as decimal numbers. Okay, here fractions are given. You have to convert those fractions into decimal number. So here is 531 by 10. Now if in denominator, if there is a multiple of 10, like 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, okay, you don't have to divide the number, you just have to give point. Okay, first before giving the points you have to count how many zeros are there. So here we have only one zero, so you have to give point in front of one number. Here will be decimal, so answer is 53.1. Here 422 divided by 100. We have two zeros, so point will be given in front of two numbers 1, 2. Here will be decimal point 4.22. Next 58,301 divided by 1000. So we have 1, 2, 3, 3 zeros. So 1, 2, 3. Here will be decimal 58.301. Now next is 7 by 10. So we have 1 0, so you have to give point in front of one number here. So before decimal we can add here 1 0. Now here we have 100 in the denominator. We have two zeros, so you have to give point in front of two numbers 1. Now we don't have another number. Here you have to add 0. Okay, not back, you have to add 0 in front. Point. Now 1 2 1 2. In front of decimal give one more 0. So this is 0.03. Now next is 37 divided by 1000. In 1000 we have three zeros. So you have to give point in front of three numbers 1, 2, 3. Then decimal. Now in front of point 0. So your answer is 0.037. Now next, question number 2, write the following decimal numbers as fractions. Now you have to convert this decimal number into fraction. So first you write the number 5401 divided by. In place of decimal, write 1. Now count how many numbers are there after decimal. 1, 2. You have to add 2 zeros. So answer is 5401 divided by 100. Next is, first you copy this number divided by. Now in place of decimal write 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros you have to add. Okay, this is your answer. Now next is 0.047. So you write only 47. Then divided by, in place of decimal 1, and after decimal 1, 2, 3. 3 numbers are there. So 1047 by 1000. Now next is question number 3. Convert the following decimal numbers into fractions in their lowest form. So here first you have to convert this into fraction. Then you have to convert those fraction into the lowest form. So 0.8 is 8 divided by, in place of decimal 1. After decimal we have one number 0, 10. Now you have to cancel this fraction. Okay, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. So the lowest form is 4 by 5. This is your answer. Now next is question number B, 0.04. So 4 divided by, in place of decimal 1, after decimal 1, 2. 2 zeros are, 2 numbers are there, so 2 zeros. Now cancel. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 0. Again we can cancel because this is even number and it can be divisible by 2. So 2 1s are 2, 2 25s are 50. Answer is 1 by 25. Next is question number C. Write number divided by, in place of decimal 1. Now after decimal 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, 3. Now cancel. Both are even number. Cancel with 2. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. 2 5s are 10. 0, 0. So answer is 33 by 500. Now next, question number 4. Convert the following decimal numbers into mixed fraction. So here this decimal number you have to convert into mixed fraction. Not only fraction, you have to convert into mixed fraction. So when you have to convert into mixed fraction, I have already told in this beginning, this is called the whole number. So we will write here 31. Now here is point, no? Then we will write here dash, okay? Then 6 we will write up. Then after decimal we have one number. So divided by 10. So in mixed fraction we can write 31 6 upon 10. So here whole number is 3. Write here 25 divided by, after decimal we have two numbers. So divided by 100. So this is 325 by 100. Next is 7. Then this 25 you have to write up. After decimal we have three numbers, so 30. So answer is 725 by 1000. So here this 95 is whole number. Then this 95 you have to write up. After decimal we have two numbers, so 20. So divided by 100. 95 by 100. Now next, question number 5. Convert the following fractions into decimals. So here you have to convert this decimals in fractions into decimal. So here we have 5, okay? If here is 10 or multiple of 10, we can easily give decimal, but here it is 5, so we have to divide this 4 by 5. So here is rough work. We will divide this 4 by 5. 5 zeros are 0. Then 4, give here decimal point. Because of decimal we can give 0 here. So 5 8s are 40. So answer is 0.8. Okay. Here is 6 divided by 25. So we will divide 6 by 25. So this is smaller number. So you have to write here 0. 25 zeros are 0. Then 6, give your decimal. Now after giving decimal you can add 1 0. So 25 2s are 50. Here remainder will be 10. Because of decimal, in every step you can add 1 0. 1 0 we can add. Now 25 4s are 100. So your answer is 0.24. Sorry, here 0.24. Now next is question number C, 22 by 20. So before dividing, first you can cancel, okay? 2 11s are 22, 2 10s are 20. Now we have 10 in the denominator, so we can easily give decimal 10. 1 0 is there, so you have to write point in front of one number. Here first you divide this, cancel with 5. 5 8s are 40. 5 5s are 25. 5 10s are 50. So 85 by 10 is 8.5.